just before we load up Solidscan, I want to go over an alternate way of looking at your points. So back to laser control here. We can export a LAS file. So we go export scans, export format, LAS. Before we go to format settings, we want an RGB value for each point, and we want to use the actual color. So we select color, give it a path, and click OK. That'll probably take quite a while. That's finished. So we've got 5 LAS files here in the export directory. Let's load up Euclidean's Geoverse Convert. So we can give it a UDS file. That's what's going to be made here. We're going to use a resolution of 1 millimeter per point, and then we're going to add these LAS files. So we add them here. They've all been added. One additional thing we'll need to do here for a LAS file is let's go to this options here, and this defaults to upper 8-bit. For the color range, we're just going to put it to lower 8-bit. This is a bit of a trial and error thing. If you run it once and you've got a completely black point cloud, then you probably want the other one. And then we can run the job by clicking on Start Conversion. Okay, so that's converting now. It's actually quite a fast process, this. So once it's finished, you can see we've got our point cloud. It's all been aligned and everything. We can now load this up in Geoverse if we like. So let's do that. Okay, this is Geoverse. I'm just going to fly down to find the middle of the model. You can change the speed using the mouse wheel. You can also use these buttons here. Okay, there's the middle. Now, people in the geospatial industry will tell you this is already quite impressive. We've got 5 scans here, all the points, and I'm flying around in real time. Now, if you just want to take measurements and you don't care about pretty pictures or making realistic movies, then this is all you need. But if you do care about those things, then you need Solidscan. You can see, if we zoom in a bit, that there are holes in these points. Solidscan will completely fill this in. You can also see the blending of the colors. It is kind of crude. It's basically whatever point comes first gets the color. Solidscan will have a more advanced blending. You can see here, this is where I was standing when a laser scanner hit me, but then on the next scan I wasn't there. Also, the camera didn't take a picture of me, so it's taken the background picture and it's just sort of wrapped it over me. Solidscan will automatically remove this because I wasn't in the same spot in 2 scans. Only things that don't move will stay around. As we go out further from the model, the points start to get even more further apart. Solidscan will still fill these all in.